Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can connect wireless headphones to OnePlus Nord for 5G. First of all, on the smartphone we need to go to the settings and then let's head to Bluetooth. Of course we need to make sure that Bluetooth is enabled, so if it's not enabled, turn on Bluetooth. And now we need to open the case for your wireless headphones, so in my case I have to do that. And you want to enter the pairing mode. Now of course this varies depending on the earbuds themselves or wireless headphones. But essentially, if you know how to turn on the pairing mode, then do that. And once you are in the pairing mode, you should be able to find your earbuds or headphones over here on this list, and then you can select them. If you cannot find the device on the list, then you may want to press this refresh button or text over here. Now let's press pair, because I already selected. And if you press refresh, then of course you will scan available devices again. Make sure that the headphones are not connected to anything else, to any other device. But if you can manually enter the pairing mode, then this should not be the issue. And once you pair the device, then it should be in the paired devices section. And that's pretty much it. Now you can use your wireless headphones with OnePlus Nord for 5G. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!